Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little simple, quick 3D effect on some text. We've got our text written out, it's just black. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard to make a copy, and I'm going to make the new copy gray. I'm going to go up to Object Order, Back a Page, so now our gray is on the back. I am going to take the black and just kind of move it out of the way. I very seldom ever use the blend tool in the toolbox, but this is a good reason to use it. Grab your gray and then just kind of move it upward. Let me grab the gray again. And you have that. Now it's a little bit jagged because we're only doing it so many steps, but we can up this to 200 and you get a lot of smoother looking effect. Now, if you can grab that last little black, the first black one, you can move it up further and it'll blend it a little bit more. Let's look at that on a background beside white. I'm going to fill that in with yellow, go to Object Order, Backup Page, and look at that. I particularly like the three in it. I mean, it's a really quick and easy 3D effect. And you can use any color that you prefer. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.